In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable trading permissions on the Binance API in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to automate your strategies, or a newcomer eager to explore programmatic trading, these steps are essential for getting your trading permissions ready to go. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account, either through the app or their website. This is your gateway to all the features and services Binance has to offer, so having your credentials handy is vital. Once you're logged in, navigate to More in the menu. There you'll find API Management. This is where we handle all the API related tasks. Next, you'll want to create a new API key. This requires entering a name for your new key, which helps you identify it for specific tasks or bots later on. After naming your key, Binance will send you a confirmation email. It's important to promptly check your inbox and follow the email's instructions to verify this step. This keeps your account secure while enabling new features. Once your API key is created, it's time to adjust its permissions. Go ahead and tap Edit Restrictions. This step is crucial for allowing specific functionalities. Without the right permissions, your API key won't be able to execute trades. Next, you'll see an option called Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Be sure to turn this on. This gives your API key the necessary permissions to execute trades across different types of markets offered by Binance, whether you're focusing on spot trading, margin trading, or both. This option is where the real power of the API comes to life, so ensure it's activated to give your trading bot or application full trading capabilities. Once you've enabled the necessary trading permissions, make sure to save your changes. Binance will then prompt you to complete two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This is an essential security measure that further protects your account against unauthorized access. So, have your 2FA device ready and follow the instructions to complete this step. With all that set up, you're ready to use your API key and secret within your trading app or bot. Remember, these keys are sensitive pieces of data. Handle them with the utmost care, store them securely, and never share them publicly. This helps ensure that your automated trading activities are safe from unauthorized interference. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled trading permissions on the Binance API. Following these steps will enhance your trading game by giving you the flexibility and power to automate and optimize your strategies. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.